the letter all about. This letter is said to be written by Jose Rizal before his death. So, ito yung isinulat po ni Jose Rizal bago po siya namatay. Then, in it, he said that he is a Catholic and want to live and die as a Catholic. So, sinabi po ni Rizal na siya ay isang Catholic at kahit daw pumamatay siya is Catholic pa rin po siya. Then, he take back all the things he said or words that are against that Catholic Church. So, itinake back daw po ni Rizal lahat ng mga things na isinulat niya po ng sinabi niya sa paglalaban ng Catholic. Then, he also say that he does not support Masonry anymore because it does against the church. So, hindi niya daw po isinusuportahan yung Masonry kahit kailan dahil daw po ipinaglalaban niya po yung church natin. Then, Rizal also the church leader to share their leader with people, and God can forget them for any example his action like his cause. So, isinariro po ni Jose Rizal ang kanyang isinulat sa mga tao, lalo na po kay Diyos. Then, hindi daw po siya makakalimutan ng mga tao dahil daw po sa isinulat niya na yun dahil naligtas niya po yung mga Pilipino. And then, meron po tayong 4 different version Rizal retraction that had surfaced. Okay po. The first is the first version of the text was published in La Voz Española and Diario de Manila on the very day or Rizal execution in December 30, 1896. Then, number 2, the second army form Anonymous written revealed himself year later as Father Balagord. It appeared in Barcelona, Spain on February 14, 1897, in the fortnightly magazine in La Juventud.
The first version of the text was published in La Voz Española and Diario de Manila on the very day or Rizal execution day, December 30, 1896. Rizal retraction was published in the newspaper La Voz Española and Diario de Manila on December 30, 1896, the same day Rizal was executed. It claimed that Rizal took back his writing and beliefs against the Catholic Church before he died. The second aim from anonymous writer who revealed himself years later as Father Balaguer. It appeared in Barcelona, Spain on February 14, 1897 in the fortnightly magazine in La Juventud. The second aim from anonymous writer
The third one, that was said to be the original text, was discovered in the Archdiocesan Archive on May 18, 1935, after it disappeared for 39 years from the upturn of the day when Rizal was shot. Sinasabi dito na original na sulat kamay ni Rizal. The poor text appeared ill-impartial on the day after Rizal's execution. It is the short formula of the retraction. Lumabas ito sa newspaper ng ill-impartial a day after Rizal was executed. Napakaikling retraction ito na nagsasabing binawi ni Rizal ang kanyang pag-atake sa Catholic Church dahil napakaikli nito at kulang sa detalye. Maraming taong hindi naging sigurado kung isinulat ba ito ni Rizal o hindi. The poor text appeared ill-impartial on the day after Rizal's execution. It is
Three reasons for retraction. First, to save his family and town from further persecution. Second, to give Josephine a legal status as his wife. Third, to secure reform from the Spanish government. Three reasons.
Rizal wanted to protect his family in town so they not should be punished or hurt because of this. So, Rizal tried to avoid directly involving his family. Rizal wanted to protect his
To give Josephine as a legal status as his wife. To wanted to marry Josephine, break in a legal and church approved and way and restriction was needed for that. To give Josephine a legal status as his wife. He wanted to marry Josephine, break in a legal and church approved why and destruction was needed for that. To give